So where you are now has a total of 32 numbers of 440 watt solar panels put together, and you have a total section of 3. And this one is 32 units of panels. The other one there, the second section of the stanchion actually has 40 panels. Yeah, 40 panels. And over there we have 24 panels. So all together here at this site, we have 96 units of 440 watt solar panels put together. And this is going to be enough to take care of the power needs in this particular branch. Remember that we are providing power to the entire air conditioners in this branch. The power generation here, the installed capacity of the solar power you're seeing here is approximately 42.3 kilowatts power. 42.3 kilowatts power. Now we put together 96 panels of 440 watts. Our panel is actually with high efficiency, so you can be sure of getting like 45 kilowatts power. So we are using ground mount stanchion because we really wanted to avoid issues with the roof. And it's also good for people to get to understand how solar energy is actually working. When you get to this bank, this particular branch of Union Bank, you understand that there won't be any form of power fluctuation. I mean, there won't be any form of power fluctuation. So you can understand what that means. In Nigeria, operate a business 24 hours or 12 hours, 18 hours as the case may be, without power fluctuation. So we put together the structures you are seeing here, and with full assurance that this can withstand the wind pressure. So I will invite you to our page to really understand how we put this together. The structure is firm. Most times we come across some solar structures, we don't really understand what is going on. But right now, you can understand here that we actually put knowledge together